winners of the Men Elite 21K run. The consolation prizes, we have 5 consolation prizes and the top 3 prizes. The first consolation prize goes to Ujjal Ray. First consolation prize, Ujjal Ray. Akshay Kumar Yadav. Ban Kirshan Lang Kongwet. Elijah Kemei. And Ram Naresh. These are the consolation prize winners from the elite men category of the 21K run. And the first prize to Elkanah Rono. Neeraj Kumar Maurya in the 3rd position from India. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Richard Kiprop is from Kenya. And Elkanah Rono is also from Kenya. They've come all the way to our state of Meghalaya to compete in the 2nd Sohra International Half Marathon 2023. Okay, we can have our press people to kindly ask the dignitaries to remain with the consolation prizes. Lillian Ruto, Susan Chebet, Mamun Datta, Chantalin Wanyang, the consolation prize winners win themselves 10,000 rupees. Lillian Ruto is from Kenya. Susan Chebet is also from Kenya. Mamun Datta from India. Chantalin Wanyang from India, and Wanklilin Sinkley also from India. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first 3 position holders, the 3rd prize goes to Agnes Mutwa from Kenya. She is Agnes Mutwa from Kenya, 3rd position. 2nd position, ladies and gentlemen, is Tamsin Singh from India. The 3rd position winner gets prize money worth 50,000 rupees. The 2nd position winner gets a prize money worth 70,000 rupees. And the 1st position goes to Renu Singh of India, winning a prize money worth 1 lakh rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for these athletes. consolation prizes for the Open Men Half Marathon 21K. Consolation prize winners are Yoborlang Nongspung, Jomsing Star Ramset, Kutmi Pawa, Okits Imle, and the boy Miki Mule. And these consolation prize winners get to take home an amount of 5,000 rupees. Each of the consolation prize winners get to take home an amount of 5,000 rupees. And ladies and gentlemen, the first three position winners. In third place is Monas Bongrung. He gets to take home a cash prize money worth 20,000 rupees. Second prize winner is Empius Nongrum. He gets to take home a prize money worth 30,000 rupees. And the winner of the Meghalaya Men Open 21K run is Walbet Star Ramset, who gets to take home a cash prize money worth 50,000 rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please give a big round of applause for our winners. Snobhaya kapti lang nakabenta jong kini kinong job. The 21K Open Women, and we start with the consolation prize. Consolation prize winners get to take home an amount of 5,000 rupees. These are the consolation prize winners: Bandasharai Marwin, Beautiful Next is Beautiful Tumpuin. Next is Datay Bankrao Marwin. Next we have Rida Bahahi Lapasam. The next is Beltina Pangrob. And ladies and gentlemen, here are the top three winners. Third place is Iban Riakor Linkoy, who gets to take home a cash prize worth 20,000 rupees. we have the second winner is Pernai Kindiat. She gets to take home an amount of 30,000 rupees. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Darishisha Yangjo, who takes home a cash prize worth 50,000 rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly give a big round of applause. They truly deserve it, especially our young women who have participated and won laurels for themselves. Tong ina thap tilang yakini baro kikintay samla jomni kiba layap shimbenta akini kajinya mare. The consolation prizes first of the 10K men category, and consolation prize winners are Banjoblang Wanyang, next is Obanshan Nongrem, he is Obanshan Nongrem. The consolation prize winners also take home an amount of 5,000 rupees. Next we have Krau Bokstar El Mauplang. Next we have Ram Shilla. Our final consolation prize winner is Jelmison Ramsey. And now for the top 3 winners of the 10K Men Open, we have in third place Taebok Lang Biam. Second place winner is Sankupar Jirwa. The third place winner gets to take home an amount of 10,000 rupees. The second prize winner gets to take home an amount of 20,000 rupees, and the winner gets to take home an amount of 30,000 rupees. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Daniel Lingdo Walang. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our winners. Men Open 10K run. The consolation prizes. Consolation prize winners are Happiness Power. Next we have Mandalin Linkoy. Next we have Yangti Mary Marwen. Ladies and gentlemen, the consolation prize winners get to take home an amount of 5,000 rupees. Our next consolation prize winner is Juliana Mary Rinksai. And our last consolation prize winner is Nanda Walang. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will give away the prizes for the top 3 winner. In third place is Balarisha Tilnyang. The third place winner gets to take home a cash prize worth 10,000 rupees. The second prize winner is Innocencia Tumpun. She gets to take home a cash prize worth rupees 20,000. And the first prize winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Glorify Kurba, who gets to take home an amount of 30,000 rupees. A big round of applause. Tongnya thap katilot nakabenta kini ginongjok. Kamtam nakabenta kini gikon ki kintay ki jongi ki balay shimbenta hakani ka marathon. All veterans. We start first with the men's category. In the consolation prizes, I will call upon the winners of the consolation prizes. Badan Singh Tham, a big round of applause for winners, for our consolation prize winners. Then we have Lawrence Paryong, Then we have Pinchngan Lang Dakhal, next is Arvind, and Kolan Swear. The consolation prize winners get to take home an amount of 3,000 rupees. And now the top 3 winners. In third place, we have Rudreshwar Deka. And he gets to take home an amount of 5,000 rupees. Second prize winner is Sincharlin Soshang, who gets a cash prize worth 10,000 rupees. And the winner is Sabir Kolia, who gets to take home an amount of 20,000 rupees. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, especially for our veterans here who are between the age of 45 to 55 years old. We've seen the young ones do well, but our older generation also can do better, and they serve as an inspiration for all of us. Tongnya thapti lang nakabenta kini kiba laya shimbenta but kiba laya job haka 45 to 55 years category. Women's category, 45 to 55 years, 10K run. We start with the consolation prizes. The consolation prize winners get an amount of 3,000 rupees. First consolation prize winner is Bitaris Marbanyang. Next we have Marcelin Marwen. The next winner is Starsina Jasai. Our next winner is Iba Mary Shulai. And the next winner is Darisuk Harwanlang. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have the top 3 winners of the 45 to 55 years women 10K run category. In third place is Juliana Walang, who gets to take home an amount of 5,000 rupees as cash prize. Tuwing thap tilang nakabantajong kinikinong job. Second prize is Sohra Linkoy. Sohra Linkoy gets to take home a cash prize worth 10,000 rupees. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Smarless Marwen, who gets to take home a cash prize of rupees 20,000 rupees. Once again, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our winners. Talking at hap tilang yakini kilong kami. Kiba happening ka 100% hado 100% snem karta kibala shimbenta patru kibala job hakani ka marathon how do snem tokin lang ko kinuksa nakabenta jungi na samla. This next category is of our veterans. Veteran men and women. We start with the veteran men, 55 years and above. I am truly amazed that, you know, after crossing 55 years, these winners can run. I mean, they can really run. We start with the consolation prize winners. First is Kedrick Harpor. The consolation prize winners get an amount of 3,000 rupees. The next winner is Jefferson Karnayon. Kuna samla to shimya gani gan nuksa na kini ki rangba ki jungi bala ban mare 100 kila cross ka 100% snem. Next is James Tamang. Next we have Darius Ningdor. And the final consolation prize winner is Bante's Kem Kongwil. We request Nora Rani to kindly come backstage. Ni kirpa ye Nora Rani Vinwan Shane Shapo side Jaganika stage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the top 3 winners of the 55 years and above 10K men. We have in third place Paresh Chandranath, who also takes home a cash prize worth rupees 5,000. Third prize, Paresh Chandranath. Second prize is Charan Singh, who gets to take home an amount of 10,000 rupees as cash prize. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Come on, we need to encourage them and also get motivated ourselves. First prize winner, Swanding Maulong. Remember, kini kirangba kilade palat kasan-kasan snem. But kini man long kong kanuksa nakabenta jengi na samla. Snow. This is the 10K women above 55 years. Kani ka prize distribution na kabenta ki long kami ki jongi ki bala pala ki kasan pusan snam kerta pagi khot ningkong ya ki job your consolation prize. The consolation prize winners, first we have Tling Wanyang. Next we have Penti Wanyang. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly give a big round of applause. Skobhang na thapti nakabenta kini ki long kumi ki jongi. Next, idang I Penti Wanyang. The consolation prize winners get to take home an amount of 3,000 rupees. Next, we have Penti Wanyang. Next we have Swiftilis Linkoy. And our final consolation prize winner is Kong Eva Jirwa. Can we have a round of applause for our mothers here? For our fit mothers, I'd rather say. Okay, now the top 3 winners of the 10K women above 55 years category. Third prize is Melina Longlang. Third place, I announce once again, Melina Nonglang. Second place is Sohra Rani, but unfortunately, I think she is not here. Sohra Rani is not here. We will give her prize later. The third prize winner jungi your San Hajar Tingka. Third prize winner wins 5,000 rupees. Second prize winner wins 10,000 rupees. And the first prize winner is Kamoin Walang, winning an amount of 20,000 rupees as cash prize. And she is, can you believe this? She is 75 years old. I Kamoin Walang ila dap nyaw fusan senam kerta. Sa si sin bara khoi tong ye thap ti nak benta kini ginong job juni kini ginong kumi kiba watla kilap pala ya kasan fusan senam kerta kidang don ya kata ke mensim jinya le. Come to the close of the second Sohra International Half Marathon 2023. It was a beautiful day, the weather was fine, and the winners were competitive. And for those who did not win, well, do come back next year, where hopefully we will have the third Sohra International Half Marathon 2023. On behalf of the organizing committee of the marathon, we would like to say thank you to each and every one of you who participated. Thank you to all the other stakeholders who helped to make this event a success. Thank you.